lot of us who like to hike and backpack, at the end of the day or during lunch, whatever, we like to stop, have a little hot meal. But unfortunately, a lot of places, especially local sanctuaries or county-owned parks, etc., don't allow you to have a fire. In fact, in a lot of areas near where I live and I like to go, you can't have a fire of any kind. No open fire, no box fire, no alcohol stove, no flames of any kind. So it poses a kind of a problem. How do you have a hot meal without fire? So I've picked up a product which I want to try out. I bought it on Amazon for about $25, and this is the first time I'm actually opening it and using it myself. So we're doing this in real time, and I don't know if it's going to work, but it's called the Baro Cook, and it's a Korean product which cooks your food by using thermal energy. So basically it comes with a packet, kind of like an MRE, and you add water to it. I bought myself some extra packets. So this was about $20, this is about $25, and each one of the packets burns for about 30 minutes, or heats for about 30 minutes. The packet says it goes to 208 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little bit under the boiling point of water. Water boils at 212, 98 centigrade, so it's 100 centigrade. So it's a little bit below boiling, but it's plenty hot enough to actually cook your food. So this isn't like just opening up a can of ravioli or beans or something and heating them up. I'm actually going to try to cook something. In this case, I'm going to do some ramen noodles. I have a package here of Indonesian ramen noodles with bumbu sauce, so we'll give that a try as well. The box itself is pretty straightforward. Here's the actual stove, and it has a plastic cover which seals the heat in. It looks like it comes with a flame packet. If I can get it out. So they give you a complimentary flame packet. There's a stainless steel dish where the food goes in. There's a plastic portion here where the chemical packet, and I say chemical, it's not really chemical, it's more mineral, and it's completely safe and non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about anything leaching from the packet into the food. And it's got a neoprene kind of band here to keep your hands from getting burned. So let's give the old Baro Cook a try. So the instructions say to put the packet into the bottom of the stove, and this is what it looks like. Very, it's a dry packet, and it reacts with water. So we'll just put that in here like this, and then you utilize the bag, and there's a fill line here. This is the maximum fill line, so we want to put what is this? Yeah, here we want to put 4 ounces of water into this envelope. So let's see, make sure it's level here. Okay. So we'll put our water in here, up to the fill line. There we go. It's important not to overfill it because then it can bubble out. Okay, let's add the water to the packet. And it should start reacting soon. There we go, it's starting to bubble here, if you can see that. So what I'll do, oh yeah, look at that. It's steaming already. That's impressive. Oh yeah, look at that. It's steaming already. That's impressive. So let's put our water on now for our noodles. Add a little more. That should be enough. And let's let this get up to temperature. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and I can see the water's gotten very hot already. It's probably time now I can start adding my seasonings. If you look, it's right at the point where it's like a pre-boil, which is good. So I'm going to add my chili powder. My bumbu sauce. Looking forward to trying that. Oh, it's not even a sauce, it's a powder. Okay. And then there's a flavored oil packet. Oh, that smells good. Let's add the oil. Give that a stir. And let's add the noodles. Let's add the noodles. Ooh, chili. And see how we get on. So we'll cap this up. So we'll check back in a few minutes. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. I've had to prop up the unit with the empty water bottle because I'm on a hill here, and it looks like it's important that everything remains level. But the noodles are starting to separate, so it's definitely doing something. We'll bring you back in a few more minutes. They should be done. We'll give it the old taste test. All right, try to do this without burning myself. It really is quite hot. No, they appear to be done. Smell good. The fact that you get about 30 minutes worth of heating time on one of these packets of fuel is pretty incredible. Well, let's see how they taste. They're completely done. They're not even al dente. They're done. I don't think this is cost effective in using it as a regular, daily stove, because each packet comes up to about $2 each. But if you're in a place where you're not allowed to build a fire, there are drought conditions, or it's prohibited by whoever owns the land, this is a very nice option. All in all, I think something like this is worth the money, and it might be something that you guys might want to consider if you're caught in similar circumstances. At any rate, I'm going to enjoy my noodles here, and thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you soon.